him, Nate.
Nice shot.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
She got it.
I'm getting
We can't, huh? Yeah. A lot of feathers came off. Yeah, they do.
getting Callie too.
Oh, look at this.
What shells you got in?
Those are the
Shot. Are we?
number 4 steel.
A little heavy. That's all right. Okay. This is what it. Sorry, bud. This is what a standard pheasant looks like.
Yeah.
Notice the blues, the white shoulders, of course the ring neck. We have other types of birds out here that are pheasant.
Those in your pocket.
Is this your first?
Yeah. First deal. Excellent.
Lucy?
You want one?
Sure.
She doesn't need any more. He doesn't.
Awesome.
By the way, that was a good shot. But I want you to be a little more wild, guy. More wild? Don't be so precise. Because the birds change direction.
Oh, I see him. You see him, babe?
Yeah, I see him.
We're gonna get going, so. Dad! Let's go!
Shoot! Shoot!
Get it, Dad!
Nice shot. Now, this is where the dog helps out. You guys got to stop being like engineers, okay? This is not an engineering drill.
Yeah, look at touch on stuff, but
I got that one, babe.
Good. Keep recording him. He's got a ring in the neck once in a while. That's why it's on there. My grandpa used to call it the handle. Oh, she just sent a quail. Oh, there were partridges. Or,
There's partridge out here, but we call them chuckers.
oh, they're chuckers. Okay.
Okay, now this one's different.
Oh, that's one of the Hungarian ones, huh?
No, no, no. Hungarians don't have a ring neck.
Oh,
But this is, notice how different, wider it is?
yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah. So, feather? I'll put, there you go.
Look at that.
I'll put this in my pocket with you.
See, the problem is, she pointed out, you get one bird and she'll find one right while you're busy.
Yeah, they're smaller birds.
Okay, so you might want to mount up or something.
Yeah, put your guns on your shoulders, guys.
Get it!
Got it.
We're gonna run with him, huh?
Okay.
Little chucker.
Notice the head is distinct.
Yeah.
It's about this heavy pigeon, but it's not.
They taste really good.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey, Dad!
Yeah.
Okay, this is take scene 4. Bird in the bush. About to be in hand. Can you see it, gentlemen?
I see it.
Okay, I'm going to kick it. It's going to fight against it.
Got it!
Nice shot, Nate.
Okay.
Try.
Now this is where she finds another one. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
I don't want her to go too far. Though,
I know.
So if you want her to go into 4A, we can do that.
Yeah, we're going to. I think she's over where I saw the other bird go down.
I think there's a couple of
Yes, sir. I don't mind it now.
Oh, did it move?
You don't know. It will run or fly real quick.
Hold it, Dad, and I'll flip that.
You see it?
Yeah, he's right by me.
Okay.
Okay, he's pointing at you guys, so I'll kick him this direction.
Okay.
Go ahead and shoot.
We're on your side, Brian.
Nice! Nice, guys.
I think that was on me, right, Nate?
Yeah, I believe so.
I think you both got it. That bird went down pretty hard.
I didn't waste much time on it.
Impressive.
See, there was one over here.
That's a fatty again, too.
Your bird senses were right on.
That's a nice fat one.
Jeez.
Watch your dog.
Did you get that
Wow.
on video, babe?
I got on video.
Always finds one.
Got on
That's a
my,
nice fat
my
bird.
phone
Heaviest
video.
we've had today.
That's the biggest one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're all blue and green.
Look at the purple up here, babe.
Oh, wow. So pretty.
Gotta get the sun on it.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Good job. Good
Yeah.
job.
Where'd she go now? Oh, she's over there
Her
now.
favorite thing is to find a bird when we pick one up.
Yeah.
Oh, I found it. Come closer to me. Walk straight to it.
Nice shot, Nate.
Incoming shot. That's good. That's hard.
Those ones I practice for.
I got that one on camera, Nate.